Future is here, and that is great for us, for people who are trying to make money online. Because even if you are absolute beginner, if you don't know how to write articles, if you don't know how to code, if you don't know how to make a business plan or anything like that, there is a great new tool called Chat GPT that will do all of that for you. And best thing of all is, it is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to make money with Chat GPT in 2023. So with that being said, let's start. First and easiest way to make money with Chat GPT is by writing articles, and you can actually make pretty good money by writing articles. For example, when you come here on Fiverr and when you hover over writing a translation and click here on articles and blog posts, here you will see people are charging from just $5, $10, all the way to $150 for writing just one article. So you can make a good money by writing articles. Also, when you go here on Upwork, same thing, $40 per hour, $85 per hour, $100 per hour just by writing articles. Same thing when you go here on people per hour. Here you can see $150, $15, $35. People are making good money just by writing articles. And if you're thinking, well, I don't know how to write articles, well, you don't need to know. You can simply use Chat GPT. So what you need to do, you need to come here on Chat GPT, and then here you just need to type, you need to say to Chat GPT to write your article about whatever the topic is of your client. So for example, you can say something like this. Write me an article about keto diet for men over 50, and then simply press enter, and ChatGPT will automatically start writing this article for you. So you don't need to know how to write these articles. As you can see here, ChatGPT is writing this article for me. And here is a tip for you. When you go back on Fiverr, for example, and when you scroll here, you will see there is actually 80,000 people, more than 80,000 services about writing articles on Fiverr, which means competition is too big, it is too strong, so you probably won't make that much money. So what you need to do, you simply need to click here on seller details, okay? And here you can see seller speaks English, 75,000 services. But when you click here on 26 more, here you can see, for example, Portuguese, only 602 services about writing articles, which means competition is much smaller and it's much weaker. You are more likely to make money in Portuguese language than in English language. And if you're thinking, well, that is a problem, actually it's not. You can simply go back here on Chat GPT and ask it to write an article on Portuguese, and it will write you an article in Portuguese. But here is the problem. When you go here, for example, when you copy this entire article that ChatGPT writes for you, and when you go on small SEO tools and check for plagiarism, and when you paste that here, scroll here, confirm that you are not robot, click here, check for plagiarism, you will see quite often that this article is not 100% unique. And that is a problem because your clients are paying $50, $100, even $150 to get a unique article, 100% unique article. And that is the problem, because if they don't have unique article, then Google will penalize them and their articles won't rank on Google. And that is a problem. And that is why your article must be 100% unique. And that is the problem. And that is why, as you can see here, plagiarism, 12%. Everything above 5% is bad. You need plagiarism to be less than 5%. Here you can see it's already 12% and it is 62% processed. So that is a problem for me. I cannot send this to my client. Also, another problem is because this was written by a software, grammatical errors are possible. So when you go on Grammarly and when you paste that article here and then click on to check the grammatical errors, you will see that overall score is 87, which is pretty good, but still there are 13 additional writing issues, which means you need to improve these things. And good thing about Grammarly is, here you can see they underline the problematical words that you need to fix all the grammatical errors. So you need to fix these grammatical errors before you actually send this to your client. And when we go back on small SEO tool, here you will see that this article is only 88% unique, which is not good for us. And good thing about small SEO tool is, here you can see they actually highlighted parts that are not unique. And that is good because you can then manually rewrite these parts here and make your article to be unique. And like I said, it is really important to check your article for plagiarism and also to check your article for grammatical errors before you send this article to your client. So this is the first way to make money with Chat GPT in 2023. Now, second way to make money with Chat GPT is by writing ebooks. This way is also really easy, really simple. All you have to do is just tell to Chat GPT what you wish your ebook to be about, and they will write that ebook for you. So when you come here on Chat GPT, here you can simply say something like that. Write me an ebook about a boy who loved trains, and then press enter, and Chat GPT will automatically write you an ebook for that. But you will see that these ebooks are actually short, so if you are on free plan, you will probably get up to 2,000 words, which is not enough for an ebook. What you need to do, you actually need to tell to ChatGPT to write you a multiply short ebooks in the same topic. For example, here you can see we told ChatGPT to write an ebook about a boy who liked trains, and you can also tell ChatGPT to write you an article about a boy who liked dog, who liked to play soccer or whatever it was. And ChatGPT will write you a series of short ebooks. And after ChatGPT finish writing your ebooks, all you have to do is just merge those ebooks in one big ebook with multiple stories in same niche. And then simply go on Amazon KDP, click here on sign in, and then you can list your ebook here for sale on Amazon. Also, you can go on Gumroad and you can list your ebook here on Gumroad for sale, and you can start selling that ebook, and you can start making money by selling your ebook on Amazon KDP and also on Gumroad. So this is the second way to make money with ChatGPT in 2023. Now, third way to make money with ChatGPT in 2023 is by actually creating Google Chrome extensions. And the first thing you need to do, you actually need to do some basic research. So you need to come here on Chrome Web Store, and here you can see most popular categories on Chrome, and you need to do a basic research to see what are the most popular apps and extensions on Google Chrome. Now, I know that some of the most popular extensions on Google Chrome are actually ones that are searching for jobs, because people need jobs. And if you're thinking, well, I don't know how to code, you don't need to know how to code. You simply need to go on ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will code that extension for you. And because job searching extensions are really popular, that means the competition is too big. So what I need to do, I actually need to niche down. So I can say something like this. For example, I can ask ChatGPT to create me a Google Chrome extension that will search only for graphic design jobs. Not all the jobs, only graphic designer jobs. And here you can see ChatGPT is actually starting to create a code for that Google Chrome extension. And here you can see how that looks. I don't need to know how to code. ChatGPT will code this extension for me. And I don't have to do anything. All I have to do is just add this extension to Google Chrome Web Store. And here you can see they are writing this extension for me. And here you can see I actually asked ChatGPT to write me an extension, Google Chrome extension that is searching jobs for graphic designers in United States, only in United States and only for graphic designers. I niched down because competition there is much smaller, and here you can see ChatGPT code entire app for me, and all I have to do is just, I need to copy this, Control C, and I need to actually paste that in Notepad just like this, and also I need to copy this entire part here, and I need to paste that also in Notepad, and all I have to do now is just click here and then click here on save, and save this file on my desktop. And after that, all I have to do is just go on Google Chrome Web Store and publish that extension. And on this page you can find help. You can see create and publish custom Chrome apps and extensions. Here you can see build an app and extension. Here you can see test app or extension, and here you can see publish in the Chrome Web Store, and here you can see instructions how to publish your extension or app on Google Web Store. And you're probably wondering right now, well, how do I actually make money with this Google extension? Well, there are a few ways that you can use to make money with Google Chrome extensions. You can, for example, add Google Ads on your extension. You can also promote your affiliate products on that extension, and also you can actually sell that extension. You can charge extension, and when you go here on Google's web store, you will see that some of these extensions are not free. You actually need to pay for those extensions, and you can do exactly the same thing, and you can make money with Google Chrome extensions and Chat GPT. Now, fourth way to make money with Chat GPT in 2023 is by making business and marketing plans. Now, many small businesses and startups, they need marketing and business plans, but they don't have money to pay for these bigger agencies to do that for them. So what they do, they simply come here on Fiverr, on freelance.com, on Upwork, and so on, and they pay to these people here, to these freelancers, to make them business plans and marketing plans. And you can charge from just $20 all the way to $700 for making that business plan and marketing plan. And if you're thinking, well, I don't know how to make those marketing plans, don't worry. All you have to do is just go on Chat GPT, and then here you just need to be specific. Make me a marketing plan for a small pet store in Boston, Massachusetts, and press enter. And Chat GPT will make a marketing plan for you totally free, and it will be detailed plan. But this is the tip for you, because this plan is actually made by a software. I strongly recommend to check this plan before you send it to your client, because errors are possible. So you need to check this plan, you need to check everything to see, are those things possible, are those things actually available in Boston, Massachusetts, are those things actually good for small pet store in Boston, Massachusetts. That is why you need to check that marketing plan in this case before you send it to your client. As you can see, ChatGPT created this plan in just few seconds. It is that simple, it is that easy. And if you don't like this plan, no problem. Simply again, just paste it here and press enter, and ChatGPT will create completely new marketing plan for you. It is that simple, it is that easy. So this is fourth way to make money with ChatGPT in 2023. Fifth and most lucrative way to make money with ChatGPT in 2023 is by creating different kind of marketing tools. Now you can create bridge pages, sales pages, you can create extensions, you can create quizzes, QR codes, and so on and so on. And when you come here on Fiverr, you will see that people are selling different kind of marketing tools, and they're making different kind of marketing tools, and marketers actually need these kind of tools, and they are ready to pay good money for those tools. And all you have to do to make these tools, you just need to go on ChatGPT, and you need to be as specific as possible. You need to tell to ChatGPT exactly what you want. So for example, let's just say I wish to create a quiz, and just press enter. And this is important. You must tell to ChatGPT that you wish HTML quiz. Okay, that is really important, because your client most likely will use that on their own website, and that is why you need to tell to ChatGPT that you wish an HTML quiz. That is really important. And here you can see ChatGPT is coding my quiz, and here you can see I actually told them to send those people, depending on the results, on different kind of websites, and those websites can be your client's affiliate products, and your client will pay $20, $30, $50 for this simple quiz. And this is how that quiz actually looks. Here you can see, and when I choose different answers here, and when I click here on submit, it will take me to my affiliate product. And if I change my answers, so if I say here yes, for example, and then click here again on submit, and it will send me to a different affiliate product. And that is a really good tool that your client would pay $20, $30, $40, even $50 for this simple tool that you actually made in ChatGPT in just few seconds. So these are 5 easy ways to make money with ChatGPT in 2023. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.